Hello guys, today we are going to deal with how to generalize the transaction. See, this is a basic confusion every class 11th student or a student who is going to start accounts now will be getting. How to generalize the transaction? What if somebody purchased some machinery? What should be debited? What should be credited is a big confusion. So in order to get a clarity on all these confusions, let us make this class to know about how to generalize the transaction. Yes, there is a concept, there are some rules behind generalizing each type of transaction. But before explaining that part, I would like to explain you some quick method which I followed before knowing these rules, which will be easy while attempting your exam, which is somewhat quick when compared to that. So remember the word dead click. Now I am going to write here DEAD CLIC. Now D for debit, E for expense, A for asset, and D for drawings, and C for credit, L for liabilities, I for income, and C for capital. And one more thing you have to remember, asset that is only coming in should be debited. Okay? So all the expenses, assets that comes in and drawings are debited, and all the liabilities, income, capital and asset that goes out should be credited. And one more thing, person that comes in should be debited and person that goes out should be credited. From business point of view, the person who is ever coming in should be debited and person who is going out should be credited. So let me write P coming in and P going out. Just remember this to generalize any type of transaction. Now we will solve this transaction. First one is cash sales. What is sales? If we are making some sales, we will be getting income. So sales is an income, definitely not an expense, right? And what we will be getting in? Cash. We are going to get some cash, and cash is an asset. So asset that is coming in should be debited. So cash is coming in, cash should be debited. And sales is an income and income should be credited. So sales must be credited. Cash account to sales account. And next one is machine purchase. This is a type of example where one asset is coming in and one asset is going out. Yes, we are keeping some cash aside and that cash is an asset. We are going to give that cash and get our machinery, right? So that machinery, one asset which is coming in should be debited. Machinery should be debited and cash which is going out should be credited. Cash must be credited. So machine account to cash account. And another transaction, 15,000 withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. See, in a business point of view, according to business entity concept, owner is a different from its business. Okay, even though it is started by its owner itself, owner is considered as a separate person from business. So in a business point of view, the amount which is taken away by the proprietor, so cash is going out and whatever amount taken by a proprietor is considered as a drawings. So the drawings will be debited, and cash which is going out must be credited. So drawings account debit to cash account. Drawings account to cash account.